Ever wondered if there's a natural way to deal with those pesky common ailments? Well, if you have, you're not alone. With the hustle and bustle of the 21st century, many of us are looking for ways to step back from the synthetic, the artificial, and the overly processed. This longing for a more natural way of life has sparked a growing interest in herbal remedies. Herbal remedies have been around longer than you might think. In fact, they've been used by humans for thousands of years. From ancient civilizations who believed in the healing power of plants, to medieval herbalists who concocted potions and salves, right through to the pioneers of modern medicine who extracted active ingredients from herbs to create the first pharmaceutical drugs. Today, this ancient practice is experiencing a resurgence. As we become more aware of our health and the impact of what we put into our bodies, the appeal of natural plant-based remedies is clear. They offer a holistic approach to health, one that takes into account the body, the mind, and the environment. But it's not just about nostalgia or a back-to-nature movement. Science is starting to catch up with tradition, and research is revealing the potent healing properties of many common herbs. From garlic's antibiotic properties to the anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric, these humble plants pack a powerful punch, and that's what we're here to explore. This video is a journey into the world of herbal remedies. We'll delve into the history, the science, and the practical applications of a variety of herbs. We'll look at how they can be used to alleviate common ailments, boost your health, and enhance your well-being. Herbal remedies offer a wealth of benefits and a world of discovery. They connect us to the rhythms of nature, to the wisdom of our ancestors, and to the incredible healing power of plants. So, are you ready to dive into the world of herbs and their healing powers? Garlic, a common kitchen ingredient, is more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a culinary superstar that has been used for centuries, not just for its distinctive taste, but also for its remarkable health benefits. Garlic is a powerhouse of essential nutrients and bioactive compounds. It's rich in vitamin C and B6, manganese, selenium, and fiber. But what makes garlic truly fascinating is a compound called allicin. This sulfur-containing compound is what gives garlic its pungent smell, and it's also responsible for many of its health benefits. Let's delve into some of the most noteworthy benefits of this humble bulb. First off, garlic is known for its potent antibacterial properties. It's been used as a natural remedy for fighting infections for centuries. Allicin, when it enters the body, becomes a potent antimicrobial agent. It's not just effective against common bacteria, but also against fungi and viruses. Moving on, garlic is a great ally for your immune system. Have you ever noticed how some people swear by garlic soup or a clove of raw garlic at the first sign of a cold? That's because garlic has been proven to enhance the functioning of the immune system, helping to fend off common colds and flu. And let's not forget about garlic's role in heart health. Research suggests that garlic can help reduce blood pressure in people with hypertension. It does this by helping your blood vessels relax and dilate, allowing blood to flow more freely. This is again due to our friend allicin, which has beneficial effects on cardiovascular health. Garlic does more than just add a punch to your pasta. It's a natural antibiotic, an immune booster, and a heart helper all wrapped up in one. And the best part is, it's readily available, affordable, and can be incorporated into your diet in so many delicious ways. So, the humble garlic does pack a punch, doesn't it? Ever heard of the golden spice with incredible healing properties? Let's dive into the magic of turmeric, a spice that's been treasured for centuries, not only for its vibrant color and unique flavor, but also for its impressive health benefits. Originating from India and Southeast Asia, turmeric has been a staple in traditional medicine systems for over 4,000 years. It's a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine, where it's been used to treat everything from skin conditions to digestive issues. One of the most celebrated benefits of turmeric is its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the key active ingredient in turmeric, has been found to match the effectiveness of some anti-inflammatory drugs without the side effects. It's used to combat a variety of conditions, including arthritis, where it helps to alleviate joint pain and swelling. But the wonders of turmeric don't stop there. Did you know that this golden spice could also be a secret weapon for your brain health? Curcumin boosts levels of the brain hormone BDNF, which aids in the growth of new neurons and fights various degenerative processes in the brain. This could potentially lead to improvements in memory and could even help ward off brain diseases. Lastly, let's talk about the heart. our vital organ that pumps life through our veins. Heart disease is the world's leading cause of death, but turmeric might just have a role to play in preventing it. Curcumin positively affects several factors known to play a role in heart disease. It improves the function of the endothelium, which is the lining of your blood vessels, and it's as effective as exercise in improving vascular function. From combating inflammation, boosting brain function, to potentially helping to prevent heart disease, turmeric truly is a powerhouse of health benefits. Whether you're adding a dash to your morning smoothie or sprinkling it into your favorite curry, every pinch of this golden spice brings a wealth of wellness. Turmeric, the golden spice, truly is a gift of nature. Ginger, a spice that's not just for your tea. This fiery root, found in many a kitchen around the globe, is a powerhouse of health benefits that extend far beyond its culinary uses. Let's start with one of the most well-known benefits of ginger, its potent anti-nausea effects. For centuries, ginger has been utilized as a natural remedy for seasickness, and it's been proven effective in relieving nausea and vomiting after surgery, and in cancer patients undergoing chemotherapy. It's even been found to alleviate morning sickness during pregnancy. Imagine that a simple spice sitting in your pantry can offer such relief. But the magic of ginger doesn't stop there. This aromatic spice is also a potent anti-inflammatory. Its active ingredient, gingerol, is responsible for many of its medicinal properties. In fact, it's been shown to reduce inflammation and can even help with osteoarthritis, a common health problem that involves the degeneration of the joints in the body, causing joint pain and stiffness. Now let's talk about muscle pain and soreness. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just someone who enjoys the occasional workout, muscle pain and soreness is something we've all experienced. Ginger, with its anti-inflammatory properties, has been shown to be effective in reducing muscle pain and soreness. A daily intake of ginger, according to multiple studies, results in moderate to large reductions in muscle pain. But wait, there's more. Research has shown that ginger can lower blood sugars, improve heart disease risk factors, and even help with chronic indigestion. It's also been linked to reducing menstrual pain, lowering cholesterol levels, and improving brain function. Truly, the benefits of ginger are as diverse as they are impressive. Ginger, it seems, is not just a spice, but a medicinal marvel. So the next time you're sipping on your ginger tea or munching on some ginger snaps, remember, you're not just indulging in a tasty treat, you're also doing your body a world of good. Chamomile, a flower with calming effects. A simple statement, but one that barely scratches the surface of this plant's incredible potential. Let's delve deeper into the world of chamomile, shall we? Chamomile, a daisy-like plant, has been cherished for centuries. Its popularity isn't just for its delicate beauty, but also for its impressive array of health benefits. When most people think of chamomile, they think of a soothing, warm, fragrant cup of tea before bed, and rightly so. Chamomile has long been recognized for its ability to promote good sleep. It's a gentle, natural sedative with the power to calm the mind, ease tension, and help usher in a peaceful night's sleep. It's like a lullaby in a cup. But chamomile's benefits extend beyond the realm of sleep. It's also a potent ally for the digestive system, stomach ache, indigestion, or bloating. A cup of chamomile tea can soothe your upset stomach, relax your muscles, and promote healthy digestion. It's like a comforting hug for your insides. And let's not forget about chamomile's potential for skin health. Its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties can help soothe skin irritations, reduce redness, and promote a healthy, glowing complexion. Whether in a cream, lotion, or a tea rinse, chamomile can be a skin's best friend. Chamomile, however, isn't just a one-trick pony. It's a versatile herb that has also shown potential in easing symptoms of common cold, reducing menstrual pain, and even aiding in blood sugar regulation. It's like having a mini pharmacy in a flower. So the next time you see chamomile, remember it's not just a pretty flower or a bedtime brew. It's a powerhouse of benefits, a testament to nature's remarkable ability to heal and soothe. A calming presence that can be a part of your daily wellness routine, helping you sleep better, feel better, and look better. Chamomile, the calming flower, has more to it than meets the eye. Indeed, chamomile is a charming, multifaceted herb that continues to captivate us with its myriad of health benefits. Basil, a herb that's not just for your pasta. This vibrant green plant, known for its refreshing aroma and distinctive flavor, is more than just an essential ingredient in your favorite Italian dishes. It's a powerhouse of health benefits that's been revered for thousands of years in Ayurvedic medicine and other traditional healing practices. Let's start with basil's anti-inflammatory properties. Thanks to compounds like eugenol and rosmarinic acid, basil can help soothe inflamed muscles and joints, providing relief from conditions like arthritis or sports injuries. Imagine something as simple as a basil leaf potentially easing your aches and pains. Moving on to digestion, basil is a true friend to your gut. It stimulates the appetite and helps ensure that the digestive system functions smoothly. It's known to relieve gas, stomach cramps, and indigestion. So next time you're feeling a little uneasy after a heavy meal, consider reaching for a soothing cup of basil tea. But the brilliance of basil doesn't stop there. It's also a great ally for heart health. Basil contains beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body. This, in turn, helps prevent the oxidation of cholesterol in the blood, a key factor in the development of heart disease. That's right, your favorite herb could be helping to keep your heart beating strong. And let's not forget that basil is packed with antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage by harmful free radicals. These antioxidants, combined with its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits, make basil a valuable addition to your diet. So the next time you're chopping up some fresh basil for your spaghetti sauce, take a moment to appreciate this remarkable herb. It's not just enhancing the flavor of your meal, it's also boosting your health in numerous ways. Basil, it turns out, is a culinary and medicinal gem. So go on, sprinkle a little more of this brilliant herb onto your plate and let its health benefits work their magic. Sage, a herb with a history of healing. This unassuming plant with its soft gray-green leaves has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. But what makes sage so special? Let's delve into its numerous health benefits and see why it's earned its place in the Herbal Hall of Fame. First up, sage's potential cognitive benefits. Known as the thinker's tea in certain cultures, sage has been linked to enhanced memory and concentration. Some studies suggest that consuming sage can help ward off cognitive decline and even improve cognitive skills in healthy adults. Imagine that. A simple herb potentially boosting your brain power. Next, let's talk about sage's role in regulating blood sugar levels. For those monitoring their blood sugar, sage could be a natural ally. Some research indicates that sage can help lower blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes, functioning much like common diabetes medication. This doesn't mean you should ditch your meds though. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making any changes to your treatment plan. Now, onto oral health. Sage has a long history of being used for mouth and throat complaints. Its antimicrobial properties make it a natural choice for soothing sore throats and preventing gum disease. A simple sage tea gargle could be just the ticket to improving your oral health. But that's not all. Sage is also packed full of antioxidants, which can help protect your body's cells from damage. It's been linked to improved bone health, reduced menopausal symptoms, and even a lower risk of certain cancers. In short, sage is a bit of a herbal superstar. It's been used in cooking and medicine for thousands of years, and modern science is just beginning to understand why. This humble herb has an impressive list of potential health benefits, and we're still discovering more. Sage, a herb that's wise beyond its years. Whether you're sipping it in your tea, sprinkling it in your soup, or using it as a natural remedy, sage is a powerful ally in your health journey. Ginseng, an ancient root with modern health benefits. Picture this, a humble root shaped somewhat like a human body, with arms and legs extending from its core. This is ginseng, a plant native to Eastern Asia and North America that has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years. But don't let its unassuming appearance fool you. This root is packed with potent health benefits that are as relevant today as they were in ancient times. Let's start with energy. We're all familiar with that midday slump, aren't we? When the caffeine wears off and the eyelids start to droop, well, ginseng might just be the answer. Research suggests that the plant's ginsenosides compounds can help fight fatigue and promote energy. It's like a natural pick-me-up without the jitters of a double espresso. Next, let's talk about blood sugar. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for everyone, not just those with diabetes. And here's where our friend ginseng comes in. Studies have shown that it can help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. That's right, a root can do all that. But the greatness of ginseng doesn't stop there. It's also a friend to our brains. Ginseng has been linked to improved cognitive function. It's been shown to boost your brain's capabilities, enhancing memory, behavior, and mood. That's a big deal, isn't it? A root that not only keeps you energized and your blood sugar in check, but also sharpens your mind. To wrap things up, let's not forget that ginseng is also known for its potential in boosting the immune system, reducing inflammation, and even improving skin health. This ancient root is truly a modern miracle. So the next time you're feeling a little low on energy, remember the humble ginseng root. It's a natural solution, a gift from nature that's been used for centuries to promote overall health and well-being. Ginseng, a root that's truly rooted in health. Herbs and their healing powers. Quite a revelation, isn't it? Today, we've journeyed through a garden of natural remedies, each brimming with potential to alleviate common ailments. Let's take a moment to revisit the highlights of this botanical voyage. We began with garlic, an everyday ingredient with extraordinary benefits. Its natural compounds like allicin can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, all while bolstering our immune system. Then, we explored the magic of turmeric, a golden spice renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. Its active ingredient, curcumin, is a potent antioxidant that promotes overall well-being. Our journey continued with ginger, a root that's not only a culinary treat, but also a trusted ally against nausea and inflammation. Its bioactive compound, gingerol, can even potentially soothe muscle pain and lower blood sugar levels. We then delved into the charm of chamomile, a popular herbal tea that can potentially help us relax, improve sleep quality, and even support digestion. The brilliance of basil was our next stop. This herb, a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, is not only flavorful but also rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that can promote heart health. We also discovered the strength of sage, a herb known for its potential cognitive enhancing properties and abilities to lower blood sugar levels. Finally, we encountered the greatness of ginseng, a revered herb in traditional medicine known for its potential benefits in boosting energy levels, lowering blood sugar, and combating stress. However, it's worth noting that while these herbs hold promising potential, they are not a replacement for professional medical advice. Before incorporating any new herbal remedies into your routine, always consult with a healthcare professional. It's essential to respect the balance between traditional wisdom and modern medicine to ensure we're harnessing these herbs' healing powers responsibly and effectively. Indeed, nature has provided us with a bounty of healing herbs. The key lies in harnessing their power responsibly. Until next time, subscribe for more health and wellness tips.